Alright, good morning everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to change your preload settings for the CB500X. I got up pretty early this morning, so excuse me for my face, you know. For the people wondering, no, I did not get punched in the face. I'm just tired because I had an early morning to shoot some time lapses for this video, so I hope you enjoyed them. But enough talking and time lapsing, let's get to it. To change the preload settings on your CB500X, you need a tool that's beneath your seat. So we're gonna remove the seat first. So in this tool bag there is this little tool that you can use to reset your preload. It's this one right here.
And there's a little extension also.
This right here, and it just goes like this. So this tool has got a little hook that you need to use to get into the grooves of the suspension. I'll show you in just a second how to do it. You have to get in through this gap here, and if you go through this gap you'll see that thing there. That's the suspension. And it's got these little grooves in it where you can attach this to and then turn it. Because I bring panniers and I bring a passenger, I set my preload to the highest setting because you really feel that's necessary on this bike to keep the bike balanced. Alright, so I'm on the left side of the bike, that's where you want to be, and I'm going to work with this tool and get in just in front of the passenger pack towards the suspension. That's where you want to be. I am going to ask my girlfriend to film this because it's a little bit tricky. So that's it, pretty easy, right? Yeah, pretty easy, but it's not that easy to remember to do the movie quotes, obviously. So I'm gonna do it right now. First, a big thank you to all the people that reacted to the previous movie quotes. Your comments are right here. So if you want your comment to be in the next video, guess this movie quote right now. You can't live in fear.